Okay, I'm going to go ahead and introduce week 12 to you. Just trying to make sure that I'm on the right week. The 23rd through the 29th, we're looking at Sayer and a Star. You want to study pages 97 to 100. After completing all of this week's activities, you should be able to distinguish between the verbs Sayer and a Star and know in which situations to use each. You should also be able to relate basic information about Mexico's history, economy, geography, and people. This week's assignments address student learning outcomes 1, 2, and 3. This week's assignments are due on the 26th. You want to start this week like all others by looking at your instructor-made videos. And I think I have a few weeks where it's actually going to be the same one, so you don't need to continually watch them if you have it under control. Because Sayer and a Star is a little difficult, so I think I have it in here a couple of times. But anyway, each of these videos goes over the difference between Sayer and a Star. This time you do need to watch the videos since we're on quarantine and we won't be holding class. After you've watched the videos, go into the class participation forum, click on the thread, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you have about material covered in the videos. You also have a cultural assignment, so when you're ready, you're going to open up Cultural Assignment 3. There are 4 videos on my language labs, as well as I have transcripts in English. You can open up the transcripts while you're watching the videos, or you can open up each video, and you can click on the closed caption in English, and you may not hear the audio while I'm doing this video, but you will hear audio when you click on each one, and you should hear them speaking in Spanish, but you can see... Well, I keep going too far. You can see that there's captions in English so that you can read along as you listen. Okay, then after you've watched each of the videos and looked at the transcripts, open up the assignment. There's the videos again. I don't have the transcripts linked here again, so you need to get them before going into the assignment if you want them. And then you have various true-false questions that are based on what you saw in the video. So after you answer it, hit finish and submit attempt, and it will come to me. Okay, we also have oral dialogue 3. So I think this might be up here. You guys, it should be in the week above. Right now, you are in the middle of doing the critiquing for oral dialogue 3. When that is done, it's going to be moved down here, and you'll see it right above oral dialogue 3. Don't do this assignment until you see that workshop. When you open it up, you're going to see a script that says critiqued by Jennifer Ray. Use the script that I critiqued to make your recording. So when you've got your script and you're ready, you open up oral dialogue 3. These are the instructions regarding oral dialogue 3, but you should have already, if you've been doing the workshop all along, you should have already completed that piece. You have 4 options for how to send me a video. The first is with VidGrid, which I redid my video because I did not realize until recently that my instructions for VidGrid were a little bit outdated. But if you choose to do VidGrid, you can watch this video and you hit this record button, and after you've gotten your recording, I think you can actually either hit the embed button and it'll pop up in the assignment down here when you've added your submission, or you can hit copy and you can paste your link into the submission. Option 2 tells you how to use a recording device, like if you choose to use a recording device on your computer, how to embed it into the assignment. Option 3 tells you how to use Vocaroo. And there's the link to Vocaroo. It just records your voice. But even if you're using this option, VidGrid, or your computer's option, if you don't want to show me your face, that's fine. I'm not really looking at it anyway because I'll be looking at your scripts. And then the final option tells you how to set up a YouTube account and then how to use your phone and upload your video from your phone to YouTube, and still you'd have to paste the link into the assignment. So you don't have to watch all of those videos, just pick which option works for you and watch the video that accompanies it. Then we have reading comprehension. So you're going to, when you're ready, open up this quiz, hit attempt quiz now. And you are going to read this activity, and then you're going to answer the questions that are at the bottom, and that's all that you, and then when you're done, you'll hit finish and submit, and it will come to me. Then you have SAM 350 Albert el video. You do not need to go into my language labs to complete this one. It's right here. So when you're ready, you're going to open up SAM 350, hit attempt quiz now. And then you're going to watch this video. It's linked right here. When you click on the video, you can also do your closed captions in either English or Spanish. So again, when it plays, you'll hear the Spanish and see the writing in English or Spanish, depending on how you do it. And then after you've watched the video, then you'll decide whether each of these statements are true or false by writing cierto or falso in the blank. Okay. Okay, then you also have SAM 338. Again, you don't have to go into My Language Labs to complete it. It's already here. When you open it up, you'll hit Attempt Quiz Now, and you just read through these statements and you decide whether you want, you'll put in the correct form of ser, a star, and I in each blank.
Mommy, I do it myself.
Okay, and then that's everything that there's nothing that you have in My Language Labs. The SAM activities that you need to complete for this week are already in Moodle.